Hey everybody, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got from the Kylie Cosmetics summer collection of 2018. I got 4 of the little matte lipsticks. And I also got the On Wednesdays matte lip kit. Timestamps are going to be in the description below. If you just want to look at a specific shade, it's all there. I got you guys. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope you're doing well, and I would love for you to subscribe if this is your jam. So together, I'm going to be going over 5 shades for you guys. Of the 4 matte lipsticks, I have Vacay, I have Nova, Miami, and Tangerine. I did not get Boss because I already have the Boss lip kit, so I didn't feel like it was necessary to get the lipstick. Let's get cracking, guys. So first up is Nova. This is a re-release of Nova. Nova originally was in the Storm collection, and I missed out on it, and I really wanted it, and it was sold out for forever. So when this was brought back for the summer collection, I was really excited. Although I did see that it was sold out yet again for the summer collection, but I have extremely high hopes that this is gonna be a permanent color and it's gonna be here to stay. So don't lose hope if you haven't gotten it already. So Nova is a warm rose. I can definitely see why this shade sold out. It's a very, very pretty nude. I think that I really like it on my fair skin. It feels very creamy. I actually, spoiler alert, I actually wore Miami, which is gonna be the next shade, and it lasted a really long time. I wouldn't say as long as the matte lip kits, those last a lot longer, but it still lasts a very long time. It was very comfortable on my lips. I actually think that the lipsticks are much more comfortable on my lips than a liquid lipstick that Kylie Cosmetics has. That's just something to consider if you want to try out the new formula. I'm going to show you right now if it's kiss proof or not. So see, nothing. So there's a very, very, very slight transfer. Like, you can't even really tell. So for the most part, it is kiss proof. It's like 95% kiss proof. Next up, we have Miami, which is a soft strawberry rose. So Miami, I was extremely excited about it, not only because it's a shade named after the town that I live in. I love roses. Roses are one of my favorite, and I'm obsessed with this one. I think this was the one that I was looking forward to the most out of all of them, although I will say I'm very excited about the rest of the shades I have to go. But I think this is such a cute color. It's very feminine. It's very like, I feel like you could wear this all year round. Those are my favorite kinds of shades that are versatile with like any outfit basically. I also saw that this was sold out, so I hope that this becomes a permanent shade. I have a good feeling about it. I would say that it will be a permanent shade if I had to predict. Next up we have Tangerine, which is a neon melon. I am so pleasantly surprised by how much I love this color. I thought this was gonna be like a bam, we are out to party color, you know, but really, I feel like I'm surprised that it goes with this eye look, but it does. I could wear this a lot more than I thought that I could wear this color. And I'm really excited because this is definitely a summer color. Like, I don't think I would be wearing this color up in the winter. I mean, it is summer and winter in Miami, like all the time. It's summer and spring, like all the time here. So maybe I could get away with it. This color truly does look like a tangerine, and I am loving it. And I think that this would look really beautiful on fair skin. And I know what you're thinking. If you were like me, oh no, it's too bright, it's gonna look crazy. No, I think this looks perfect, especially if you have dark hair. I think it just brings it all together. Lastly, from the matte lipstick, I have Vacay, which is a bright fuchsia. So it's another color that I'm really surprised of. I usually never have a lot of purples. I kind of shy away from them, but I am feeling this. I still really like Vacay. I think it's a lot more girly than I'm used to, believe it or not. But I'm gonna find a way to incorporate it, and I think that it looks good with fair skin. And I think that this is a really fun color. Now on to the last shade. Lastly, we have On Wednesdays, which is a true bright pink. I'm really excited about this color because I think it was named after Mean Girls, and I love that movie. If you have not seen it, stop this video, go watch it, because it is like a cult classic. I've seen it so many times, it's so good. This is definitely a perfect pink. It is pink AF. It definitely reminds me of the pink that I saw from Mean Girls, especially that pink from Katie's Polo. I think this might be the girliest shade that Kylie Cosmetics has ever come out with, but I'm here for it. I'm definitely feeling it. I love the name so much. It's the perfect name for this shade, absolutely, hands down. And I'm actually gonna wear this one out, probably because it was the last one I did. So that concludes my video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it and found it super informational, and if you did, please send me some love by giving me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. So I hope you guys are having a really good day, and if you're not, just remember that the day always ends and there's always a new beginning to tomorrow.